Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are new here, my name is Nishitha. In today's video, I'm going to update about all the products that I got during the Sephora VIB sale. I'm going to link the haul video in the description box down below where I guess one and a half month back I showed you all the products that I got during the sale. Today's video I'm going to update you guys now that I've had 1.5 months to test them out. I'm gonna tell you guys what worked and what didn't, which ones I think are worth the money and which ones are not. So the first product that I got during the sale was the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. I like this product. It definitely reduces the breakage of your hair. I know the size of the bottle is really less and you pay like around $38 for this product. But the thing is, a little bit goes a really long way. Few hair products, they don't wanna like spread out throughout the hair. You end up using a lot of it. But that is not the case with this product. A little bit really spreads out throughout your hair. But would I repurchase this? Probably not because of the price point. I mean, it did really good things to my hair, but I would rather get some other Mercier products because for the same price point, you get a little bit more product in Mercier line. So I'm gonna try something else from the Mercier, but I will use this, but I might not repurchase this. And the next product is the Mercier Don't Despair Repair. I already love this product. That's why I got the jumbo size. My husband and I have been using it constantly, like every alternative week. I will repurchase this if I ever run out of this big jar. Even with this, a little bit goes a really long way. I would recommend you try out the Mercier products over the Olaplex one because you pay a lesser amount of money and you get more product, and both of them work really well for your hair. The next product that I got was the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love this product. It just is very convenient to use. Whenever I'm wearing like full face of makeup, I first go in with this because it spreads out really well. It melts away all of your makeup, your foundation, eye makeup, and even your liquid lipstick. I love this product, and the best part is once the makeup comes off and when you try to clean it off with water, it does clean really well. There are a few products. I think if I remember correctly, it was Pixie one. I used it like once or twice. When it does remove all of your makeup, but when you try to clean it off with water, it just doesn't want to come off, and this doesn't do that. I really love this product and I think it's totally worth the money, and a little bit goes a long way. It's been almost like 1.5 months and I do use it really often, and I still have a lot of product left inside. So this one is amazing. And the next product is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Concentrate. It's an eye cream. If you guys watched any of my recent favorite videos, I talk about this. This is one of my favorite eye creams. Actually, this is the only favorite eye cream that works for me. It definitely reduces my darkness and it works really well for me. But one of my friends complained that she didn't like it. It made her under eyes look darker, but for me it works perfectly well and I will keep repurchasing this one. I'm almost out of this one. It's a good thing that I have backup. And the next product that I got during the sale was the DrunkElephant Sukari Baby Facial. I like this product. I guess I used it like 4 to 5 times ever since I got it. When you first apply it, it does irritate your skin a little bit, just for like 10 seconds or so, then it goes away. But it does remove all of your dead skin. If you have sunburns or because of sunburns you're getting dead skin that just peels off, you can use this product. It does remove all of your dead skin. I really like this product and I think it's totally worth the money. But would I repurchase it? Probably not, because the next product that I'm going to talk about works much better with my skin than this one. The T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Out of all the products that I got during the sale, this would have to be my best purchase. I love this product because it removes all of your dead skin overnight and reveals much more clarified skin. I use this like 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes 3 to 4 times depending on how my skin feels. If I feel like my skin is more congested, then I definitely use this product because it exfoliates your skin really well. It's a chemical exfoliant. It works really well for my skin. My skin had been so good until I tried out the IT Cosmetics moisturizer because of this product. But even after I got the breakouts, this product has been helping a lot. If you have any acne spots, this product will help reduce the demarcation because it has been working really well for me. But with DrunkElephant products, I always recommend you go get a sample before you get the full size, because there are so many mixed reviews, and that's why I would recommend get a sample, use it for 2 weeks. If you see a difference, then go buy the full size. But personally, this one I would definitely repurchase, and this makes me want to try out their day serum as well. But I love this one. Next product that I got was the Summer Fridays Jetlag mask. It's supposed to add hydration to your skin. I personally did not see a lot of difference when I used this product. I mean, it did add a little bit of hydration to my skin, but it didn't do anything that blew my mind away. If you have extreme dry skin, you probably might see a difference with this, but I personally don't think this is the best hydrating mask out there. There are so many others that are better than this one. I personally don't think it's worth the money. And the next product that I got was the YSL Touche Clot Blur Primer. I don't know why there is so much rave about this primer. Just personally didn't do anything for me. I mean, I don't see a difference at all. It's like around 69 bucks. I guess it's about, I don't remember the price, but it's a very pricey product. But it just didn't do anything. And the worst part is the tiny specks of glitter you see inside, they actually peek through even when you apply your foundation. I just don't see how this functions as a primer. It personally did not elongate the longevity of my foundation. I just don't think it's worth the money. And the next product is the Dior Skin Forever Perfect Makeup Everlasting Wear. I love this foundation. I did a full dedicated review. I'll leave a card up here if you want to check it out. But when I first applied it, when I was doing the review, I did not like it as much. But the more I wear it, the more I love this foundation. I think it's totally worth the money, and it's totally worth the hype. So if you're looking to get a high-end foundation, I highly recommend this one. This and the Lancome, they're really good. And even the Becca one that I tried out recently is really good. But if you're planning on getting this Dior foundation, I say go for it. And the next product is the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. I use this product to mix in with my foundations to change the color. Now that it's summer and I'm a lot tanned, none of my foundations match me. They're a little bit too light. So I add a few drops of this into the foundation. This one changes the color of the foundation but does not alter the consistency of your foundation. I really love this product. Instead of buying a few different shades of your favorite foundations, you can just get one shade of your favorite foundations and then get this, because this is more versatile. You can mix in with all of your foundations and change the color whenever you want to. I really love this product. It's totally worth the hype, and it's a great buy. And next I have one more fail. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. This has SPF 25 in it. I just don't like this product. I love Makeup Forever as a brand. Their Ultra HD foundation is my favorite, but this one just didn't do anything for me. If anything, I think it broke me out a little bit. It gave me dead skin. I don't like this product, and I don't think it's worth the money. The first thing is, this just does not have any coverage. It just has a light tint. If you want to get a tinted moisturizer with some SPF to it, I would say go with the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. That one is much better, and that one I really like. But whereas this one just didn't do anything for me, and I don't think it's worth the money. And next I got two concealers, the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer and the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I did a full dedicated review to these two concealers, comparing them side by side. I'll leave a card up here if you want to check it out. But if you had already watched that video, you already know how I feel about this. I just don't like these concealers. I personally do not think they're worth the money. Even after filming that video, I tried to use these a couple of times. Every time they caked up on me, they just creased through. They just didn't work really well for me, and I don't think they're worth the money. If you're thinking of getting a concealer, I would say either go with the Tarte Shape Tape or the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. They both are really good if you're looking for a full coverage concealer. But if you want more of a natural concealer from the drugstore, I would say go with the Maybelline Fit Me or Age Rewind Concealer. They work much better than these two, and they're just fraction of the price. The next product I got was the Becca Hydra Mist. This is a hit. I love this powder. Apart from the way it feels when you apply it to your skin, even as a powder, this functions really well. It keeps you matte throughout the day, and it doesn't dry out your skin. I love Laura Mercier, but few people complain that if you have dry skin, it does look dry on your skin. I mean, even I noticed it whenever I stop drinking enough water. I feel like whenever I use Laura Mercier, it does look a little bit drying on the skin, whereas this one doesn't do that. I will definitely repurchase this product because I love it. But the only thing is, it's expensive and you do not get a lot of product, not as much as you get in the Laura Mercier. Next product is the Buxom Guava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. I don't like these. They just are not opaque enough for my liking, and even the colors that I got did not work. I think I already mentioned this in the haul video as well, but I'm just letting you guys know that I don't like these products. Next, I got the STILA Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. This is a full-size product and this is in the shade Gold Goddess. And then I got a trio. I wish they would come out with more trios like this, because I personally would never run out of an entire bottle of full size. If they can come out with like smaller trios like this, you get to try out more colors and you don't have to pay as much. Each of these retail for $20 and I got 3 of these colors for $20. If you see any of these trios like this on Sephora website, grab them because they're great. So that completes this video. I updated you on everything that I got during the sale. I hope you enjoyed these mini reviews. Let me know in the comments down below what other product reviews you want to see on my channel. I'd be happy to do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.